When it comes to tackling those hard-to-reach spots and stubborn stains, the Bissell Little Green Pro Commercial Spot Cleaner is an exceptional tool that promises powerful cleaning in a compact, portable design. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents, spills on upholstery, or grime in your car, this spot cleaner offers a convenient and effective solution. Let's dive into a detailed review of this impressive product to understand why it stands out and how it can be a game changer for your cleaning needs. The Bissell Little Green Pro Commercial Spot Cleaner is designed to deliver robust cleaning power in a portable package. It combines vacuum suction, brushing action, and a specialized cleaning solution to effectively remove and lift dirt, stains, and spots from various surfaces. This multi-action approach ensures that even the most stubborn messes are tackled with ease, leaving your carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors looking spotless. One of the standout features of this spot cleaner is its large 3-4-gallon tank capacity. This generous size means you can clean larger areas without needing to frequently refill the water tank, enhancing your cleaning efficiency and convenience. Whether you're cleaning a large area rug or multiple pieces of furniture, the ample tank capacity ensures you can get the job done without interruptions. The Bissell Little Green Pro comes equipped with a 20-foot power cord, allowing you to reach far and wide without having to constantly switch outlets. This is particularly useful when cleaning stairs, large rooms, or the interior of your car. The extended reach provided by the long power cord ensures you can clean every nook and cranny without hassle, making your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. This spot cleaner is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. Its compact and portable design allows you to easily maneuver it to clean hard-to-reach areas such as stairs, area rugs, upholstery, and auto interiors. The Bissell Little Green Pro is ideal for both residential and commercial use, offering a reliable solution for maintaining cleanliness in your home, office, or vehicle. Ease of use is a key advantage of the Bissell Little Green Pro Commercial Spot Cleaner. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry around, while the intuitive controls ensure straightforward operation. The cleaner comes with a range of accessories, including a tough stain tool and a spraying crevice tool, to help you tackle various types of stains and messes with precision. Built with commercial-grade durability in mind, the Bissell Little Green Pro is designed to withstand heavy use. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer commercial warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. This reliability makes it an excellent choice for businesses and individuals who require a dependable spot cleaner that can handle frequent and intensive cleaning tasks. The combination of vacuum suction, brushing action, and cleaning solution makes this spot cleaner highly effective at removing stains. Whether it's pet urine, spilled wine, or tracked in dirt, the Bissell Little Green Pro can handle it all. The tough stain tool is particularly useful for dealing with deeply embedded stains, ensuring your surfaces are thoroughly cleaned and refreshed. Final verdict: the Bissell Little Green Pro Commercial Spot Cleaner is a powerful, versatile, and portable cleaning tool that excels at removing tough stains and spots from a variety of surfaces. Its large tank capacity, long power cord, and range of accessories make it a convenient and efficient choice for both residential and commercial cleaning tasks. If you're looking for a reliable spot cleaner that delivers professional-grade results, the Bissell Little Green Pro is an excellent investment. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.